Anyone can make a pretty face. Almost none can make a real one. People. The same image on a 3060 and a 5090. Only the time changes. So which one makes a real human? Let's find out. AI faces have a tell. Skin too smooth, eyes too perfect, the same model face every single time. So we pushed 9 open models from a single weathered close-up all the way to a group of 3 distinct strangers. Same prompt, same seed on 3 RTX cards. No top-tier card required. Extreme close-up, 68 years old, every pore and laugh line. This should belong to the expensive flagships, and the surprise of the whole test is who wins it. The lightweight Z-Image base draws real skin, while the premium models airbrush it smooth. A 45-year-old man, weathered, slightly asymmetric, real stubble. Qwen keeps the face honestly imperfect, with Hunyuan right behind it. A 78-year-old fisherman, leathery sun-beaten skin. Here the surprise is Chroma, holding the deepest weathered texture in crow's feet, while the smoother models, Qwen included, sand it down. Now, 3 people in one frame, 3 completely different faces. This is where most models collapse everyone into one look. Qwen keeps all 3 distinct, and Hunyuan matches it. Full length, head to toe. Proportions are the trap, and the SDXL install, with its high-res pass and face detailer, lands the body the modern models stretch, though Qwen is right there too. Bonus round. A 7-year-old mid-laugh, freckles, a gap-toothed grin. The best raw skin engine in the field is an SDXL portrait model, RealVis. Its pores edge even Qwen. But the prompt asks for a missing tooth, and only Qwen actually draws the gap. Call it a split. RealVis for the skin, Qwen for the full order. One last thing. The same prompt 8 times on every model. Some give you 8 different people. Some give you the same face 8 times. That tell never fully goes away. Same model, same seed. Across a 3060, a 4090, and a 5090, the quality is the same. Only the time changes. Not pixel identical, the exact composition can shift by architecture, but equivalent. And the budget surprise goes further. On a 3060, the lightweight Z-Image base draws that winning skin in about 2 minutes. Qwen, the overall pick, takes over 10. Best at people overall, Qwen, fidelity plus the hardest multi-face shots. Best raw skin, the SDXL portrait fine-tune, RealVis, still beating the modern models at pores. And the surprise budget pick, Z-Image base, out-rendering the flagships on macro skin for a fraction of the time. On a 5090, run Qwen at full quality about 76 seconds. On a 3060, Qwen still wins overall at about 10 minutes. But if you just want real skin fast, Z-Image base is your budget pick at about 2. Coming next, photoreal scenes. Water, neon, macro, the real world. Same brutal audit, per family. If this saved you a render, subscribe. We do the whole bench so you don't have to.